Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Education. To solve technical problems today we are going to discuss about a very serious problem we have seen in a John Deere 6068 engine, and the problem is that the valves are hitting the piston. That can be caused due to wrong timing, but the timing was okay. When we study the problem deeply, it came in our knowledge that our idler gear bush is damaged, which is the cause of the problem. If we look closely, we can see an extra play in that idler bush. The allowed clearance or end float in these two gears are, the two gear is 0.04 millimeter according to the manufacturer, and the play in the teeth of these two gears for idler gear and camshaft is more than 2 mm, which is damaging the valves and the top of the piston. There you can see. To solve the problem, we have changed the bush with a new one during assembling, and that video is recording. The video I am recording right now is after the engine is completely assembled and started, but for your knowledge we are making this video. To share our knowledge. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions related to the problems of John Deere 6068 engine or any engine, please feel free to ask in the comments.